How to unsave the pins on the Pinterest. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can delete a pin on the Pinterest. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your Pinterest application. Now once you are in here you have to click on your profile that is in the bottom right corner, and from here you have to go on the created by you. Now once you are in here you have to select the pin that you want to delete. So once you click on it, here what you have to do is simply click on these three dots that is in the top right corner, and from here you have many options, that is manage, edit pin, search for visually similar. You have to simply click on the manage pin, and from here in the bottom left corner there is the bin icon. You just have to click on it, and here is the confirmation to delete this pin, and it will be gonna forever. No one who will save this will be able to view that you delete your post, and you just have to click on the delete. And that's how you can delete the Pinterest pictures or the unsaved pins. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.